to day 6 of Dream It, Do It. I'm so excited to have you here. As you can probably tell from the video so far, today's video is a little bit different to the others because I'm actually filming these videos in real time and I've come down with a bit of a cold and I didn't really want to subject you to seeing me with a bright red nose trying to get a face to camera video out. So instead, I thought I would do a voiceover. I'm going to be able to pop some images of exactly what I'm talking about. I'm determined to stick to my daily schedule to make sure that you get everything you need as part of this goal setting and planning Dream It, Do It workshop series. So let's get on with today's content. Now that we've got our vision and our life goals, it's really time to focus in on this year, 2022. I always used to set goals for myself on a yearly basis. So in January, I'd set goals for the full year ahead. And then I tended to have a think about, okay, how does that break down into quarterly and then monthly goals? And I'd take it from there. I did find using that technique that I did spend quite a lot of time upfront planning, which isn't necessarily always a bad thing, but I'm trying a new strategy this year that I've heard great things about from other people, and I have really great confidence that this is going to give us our strongest year yet. So what is it that I'm talking about? Last year, I read a great book called The 12-Week Year, and it's all about changing your mindset so that instead of setting goals and trying to achieve things on a 12-monthly basis, instead you reframe your mindset to think of a year as being just 12 weeks long. Now, there's a couple of reasons why this is a really successful technique. One is it's much easier to plan what you think you can achieve within the next 12 weeks than trying to look at 12 months, which obviously is a much bigger thing. And it means that you're not going to be reworking your goals as much. But also, if you consider that every 12 weeks it's a fresh year and that you need to achieve your goals that you've set for those 12 weeks within that period, it gives you more of a sense of urgency. And therefore, you're more likely to get more done in the space of 12 months by effectively having 4 years happen within that 12-month period. Now, you do really have to flip your mindset to get into the thinking of 12 weeks as being a year, but it's actually a really great way of looking at things. I'm going to pop a little diagram in here of what your 12 months would look like, because how it works out, you spend a week of sort of pre-planning before your first 12-week period, because planning out and knowing what you want to achieve in your 12-week periods is absolutely key. So you're going to spend a week planning, which is what we've been doing this current week, and then you're going to have your first 12-week year. At the end of that, you're going to take another week to review how that 12-week year went and plan your next 12-week year, and so on. And in doing this 4 times throughout the year, you will have used up all 52 weeks of the year. And I just think, imagine getting 4 times as much done in 2022 as you would normally get done in a year. I mean, that just blows my mind. Right, so let's get to setting our goals for this first 12-week year. I'm so excited. What I want you to do is to take all of the notes that you've made on your vision and the list that you drew together on day 3. Also have to hand your wheel of life and the life goals that you worked on yesterday. A good place to start is to have a look at your wheel of life, look at the areas where you'd scored yourself lower and try and draw out. Remember, we asked ourselves that question, what if I work on this one area is likely to impact on increasing my scores in other areas too. So hold that in your mind, what area of your life you really want to improve, and try and think of setting that as your focus for this 12-week period. And then I want you to set between 5 to 10 goals for this next 12 weeks that focus specifically on that area or those areas on your wheel of life first and foremost. You can have some other goals in there too, but try and make your priority goals that will help you get better in the areas of your life that you scored lowest in on your wheel of life. So what we're going to do is set between 5 and 10 goals. I personally think having closer to 5 goals is the sweet spot. If you set yourself too many goals, your attention is going to be distracted between the different goals. The less amount of goals you have, the easier it is actually to focus on them. Write your goals down on a piece of paper and we will pick up tomorrow with the rest of Dream It, Do It. I hope today's video has been really useful for you. I'm sorry that I wasn't here face to face. Hopefully I will be back tomorrow, but there may be a couple more videos like this until I'm fully recovered. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll be back again tomorrow for day 7 of Dream It, Do It. Bye for now.